Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Wyze Cam with RTSP and SD card settings step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have the Wyze Cam and a compatible microSD card. Insert the microSD card into the Wyze Cam. Power on the Wyze Cam and wait for it to boot up. Open the Wyze app on your smartphone. Sign in to your Wyze account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select camera from the list of devices. Choose your specific Wyze Cam model from the options provided. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Wyze Cam to your Wi-Fi network. Once the camera is connected, tap on the device from your Wyze app home screen. Navigate to the device settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to find the Advanced Settings option and select it. Look for the RTSP option within Advanced Settings. Toggle the RTSP switch to enable it. You will see a prompt indicating that RTSP will be enabled. Tap Confirm to proceed with the activation of RTSP. A URL will be generated for the RTSP stream. Take note of this URL, as you will need it for any external viewing applications. Scroll back to the main settings menu. Now select the local storage option. Ensure that the microSD card is recognized by the camera. Enable the option to record videos to the SD card. You can also adjust the recording settings as needed. After configuring both RTSP and SD card settings, tap on Save to apply changes. Your Wyze Cam is now configured with RTSP and SD card settings. You can test the RTSP stream using an external player like VLC. Open VLC and select the Media menu. Click on Open Network Stream. Paste the RTSP URL you noted earlier into the network URL field. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.